Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial, I will show you guys how can you create aesthetic Instagram stories, just by using brush tool. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to File and then select New. Here make sure the width and height value must be the same as mine. Click OK. This size is actually a phone's display size. Now go to File and then select Place. Here choose the image you want to be in your Instagram story. Hold Shift and Alt key and adjust the size of the image. After that, add a new empty layer. Rename it Sample Colors. Now go to File and then select Place. Here I will pick color 3 sample. You can download this, I have given link in description. Adjust it. Hit tick mark. After that, select brush tool. I have given the download link of these brushes in the description. Now add a new empty layer. And follow me as I'm doing, you will have to do the same steps. For your understanding, I'm using all brushes and all colors. You can use 1 or 2 brushes and 1 or 2 colors, which will look more aesthetic. But for now in this tutorial I'm using all brushes and colors to better understanding. Okay, now we will add some text to it. You can download this font, link in description. I will type aesthetic. Press or Command Ctrl+T to adjust the size of text. Now select Impact Font. And right swipe up. Oh no, I also changed the upper text font. Let me take it back to Holiday Free Font. Be careful while changing fonts on texts. So, this was all about it. Hope so you like it. For any doubt, comment below in comment section. Peace.